Today, we are exploring the diverse applications of ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's a fascinating domain, and I'm here to guide you through its potential uses. Education. The educational landscape is changing, and ChatGPT is at its forefront. For students, it's like having a 24-hour tutor. Complex algebra problem, historical event, ChatGPT can break it down. For educators, it aids with curriculum design, crafting lesson plans, or generating interactive educational activities. Language use. Our world is more connected than ever, and languages bridge gaps. ChatGPT assists not only in translating text, but also in language learning. Want to grasp French or Japanese? ChatGPT can provide practice dialogues, correct pronunciations, or cultural language nuances. Productivity and task management. The modern world is busy, and staying on top of the things become a challenge. ChatGPT serves as a virtual assistant, from setting reminders, organizing to-do lists, and brainstorming project steps. ChatGPT ensures you're always a step ahead. Research. Research can be a long and arduous process. With ChatGPT, sifting through vast amounts of information becomes more manageable. You can get concise summary of long articles, have complex topics broken down, or even get a list of relevant resources on a subject. Mentorship and brainstorming. Everyone at some point seeks guidance. ChatGPT, with its vast knowledge base, can provide advice, brainstorming projects with you, or even offer alternative perspectives on an idea. Tech support and code review. Technical snags can be a headache, but with ChatGPT, it's akin to have a tech wizard at your side. Whatever guiding through software installation, troubleshooting, or even reviewing code for bugs, ChatGPT ensures smoother tech journeys. Data analysis. In a data-driven era, understanding numbers and trends is vital. ChatGPT can analyze datasets, provide natural language interpretations, and even predict trends based on past data. Mental health. Emotional well-being is paramount. While ChatGPT isn't a replacement for professional help, it offers a space for venting and conversation, or seeking resource on mental health. Legal assistance. Legal jargons can be confusing. ChatGPT aids in simplifying legal terminologies, generating basic legal documents, or directing individuals to the appropriate legal resources. Culinary assistance. ChatGPT can be your kitchen companion, suggesting recipes based on ingredients you have, explaining culinary techniques, or even offering global recipes to try. Building skills and custom plans. Personal growth often requires learning new skills. ChatGPT can guide on skill building, from guitar lessons to public speaking tips. Additionally, it crafts personalized plans, be it for diet, workout, or even daily routines. Proofreading and grammar. Perfecting an article or ensuring your work remains error-free is essential. ChatGPT can proofread text, suggest better word choices, and ensure your content remains grammatically impeccable. Custom AI and virtual assistants. AI is the future. ChatGPT can be the foundation for building custom AI tools tailored to specific tasks, ensuring businesses and individuals have tools optimized for their needs. This has been a brief journey through the expansive capabilities of ChatGPT. If you found this valuable, I invite you to subscribe and share. And if you use ChatGPT in a unique way or wish to explore its other facets, do comment below. Your insights enrich our understanding. Thank you for your time.